Hi everyone, welcome to Ken's Kitchen Sink. Happy Labor Day. Today I'm actually bringing a tip to you directly from my kitchen sink, and it has to do with water purification. For a few years I've used this product called Pur. Brita makes one, but I've used the one that's Pur, and what it does, it attaches itself to your kitchen faucet and it purifies the water. This particular brand has a charcoal filter that snaps into the unit, and it filters up to 100 gallons or lasts up to 3 months. So the unit I have here I got on Amazon.com. It's pretty straightforward. It's got a connection directly through your faucet, and what comes with it, and you want to do this actually is a pack of little valves that actually has a rubber gasket inside of it. So what you do, you actually just connect that directly to your faucet. So so that connects there, and so once that's done, then all you do, you just take the actual filter itself, or the purifier. Inside it actually has a place for the filter, and then you just snap, and you'll hear it snap on, and then the filter itself just goes directly down into the purifier. So you turn that on, screw that down, and you turn the water on, and then you flip the switch, and what that does actually starts coming out of the purifier on that side. It takes about 5 minutes for it to prime, so let that go through that process, and you'll have yourself savings, because you're not buying bottled water. You can actually get it from your tap. Where I live, the water's kind of terrible, but this is actually a pretty nice unit. I normally replace the entire unit itself about once a year, and the actual filters themselves, you can buy them individually. I bought a 3-pack. Again, you can get this at Walmart or on Amazon, and they're about, I think they're about $24 for 3 filters. The unit itself is, I think it was around $30, that it includes 1 filter. So that's one savings. The other thing I wanted to suggest is that if you have a home and you have the access to it, the hot water tank in your home can be drained annually or every other year. Sediment lands in the bottom of the tank, so if you end up actually draining that tank once a year, that'll take all that sediment down there. And the plumber who installed mine a couple years ago suggested that. He said you probably get like another 10 years of life out of it. So anyway, Water Pur Purifier connects right to your kitchen sink. There's really no tools or anything. It's simple, easy to use, and like I say, it gives you pure water. So thanks for your time. Hope you have a great holiday. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time in the kitchen sink. Have a great day.